Here's how to add or extract VAT on competitor prices, so every price comparison sits on the same tax basis. Competitors don't always quote prices the way you do. Some list them with VAT, others without. To fix one listing, open the Row's Actions menu in monitored URLs and choose Set Price Adjustment. In the Edit Competitor URL window, turn on Set Price Adjustment. A note reminds you the rule applies to this URL only. To strip VAT out, pick Subtract VAT and enter your rate. 22, never a multiplier. Pricefy divides by 1.22. The preview confirms $9.99 becomes $8.19. Need the opposite? Add VAT multiplies instead. Same rate, and the preview shows $9.99 becoming $12.19. Click Save. From now on, every captured price is transformed by your rule. Back in the list, a small blue adjustment icon next to the competitor price marks the active rule. When a competitor lists every price the same way, set the rule once for all of them. Open its competitor profile, switch to the Price Adjuster tab, and turn it on. Pick Add or Subtract VAT, enter the rate, it's always a percentage, and save your changes. Remember, if a product has both rules, the profile-wide adjuster applies first, then the per URL rule on top. Rules only affect prices captured after you save, and the adjusted figure becomes the effective price everywhere. Comparisons, repricing, dashboard, and exports. Thanks for watching. If you need help, contact us using our live chat or write to us at help@pricefy.io.